Hey everybody, I'm Adam. And this is Brian. And we're the Amazing Geeks.
I just wanted to stare at you awkwardly. I'm sorry.
Be sure to stick around to the end, because we're going to make a second drink. Just a little special taste for your pleasure.
Not so chunky.
You'll understand what that means soon.
I don't like chunk in my trunk.
So today we're here with a special treat at our welcome to our Milkshake shop.
It's a homage to Elder Scrolls.
Yes.
It's a dubious camel toe. Shoot.
What is a dubious camel toe? And we're back at our Shake Shack here to introduce something kind of fun. Came from a couple of our viewers over on Reddit. I believe it was Matthias, Jiff 1912, and I'm cheating, Ozano Helio over on Reddit. Gave us the idea.
Well, you're not cheating. It's okay to look at.
I know it is. They pitched in and gave us some ideas, and I believe it was
Dubious Camoran Throne.
Yes, as suggested by Matthias, I think, and I'm sorry if it was one of the other three, whatever. Here it is.
It's a dessert cocktail. It's
Malt?
It's a
Malt shop! That's what they called it!
no. It's a dessert cocktail.
I know, but they didn't call it Shake Shacks. They called them malt shops.
Yeah, everyone call it that.
Okay.
But if you want to know what it does in the game of Elder Scrolls, I'm going to look down because I didn't memorize it. So, it stamina recovery by 315, max stam by 2856, and max health by 3094. Yeah. So, most tanks use it. A lot of people use it in Vet Maelstrom Arena.
Mm-hmm.
But,
I tried that once. Not as a tank. That'd be weird.
it's okay if you didn't try it as a tank.
I tried it with my DPS.
He tried it with his DPS, he failed.
I did.
He got to the last boss
I did.
for credit, but he couldn't. I mean, it takes a while to get past that.
I did not master the timing, and I kept getting knocked off that damn platform.
It took me like 4 weeks.
Yeah.
And then now I can just do it
So,
like that. Snap. Snap a finger.
snap a finger. So we got some stuff here. I'm going to share with you. Let's start out here. Soaking in milk. I think I've heard of this once. You soak your meat in milk to bring out, like, to tenderize it.
It's white meat?
This is white meat. It's fish. White fish meat. Soaking in milk to help tenderize it. I'm going to say what those are. Pick one. I don't care.
This?
Yeah.
Is this supposed to be beetle scuttle?
It's our beetle scuttle.
It's got some almonds and some M&Ms.
Oh, and I guess if we're telling you what this
For
is,
some crunch.
because you might want to remake this at home. This is Swedish fish battered in the innards of a Oreo cookie, soaking in milk. 'Cause why not?
Scrape the innards out of it.
And also scraped in the innards of a Oreo cookie. These are guts. You can see they're just kind of
Gummy worm
gross,
guts.
slimy guts soaking in milk, which has been dyed for your pleasure. And again, the guts of an Oreo. And the last of the treats, this here we have insect parts, which are little creepy crawlers in dirt.
Sour creepy crawlers.
Sour, yeah, which are the Oreo, the actual outers of the Oreo, because we don't like to put anything to waste.
Yeah, we use the...
Like the whole thing.
Also, that's kind of going to be like dirt, because it's, with the insect parts, you got dirt.
It's really dubious.
Incredibly dubious.
And then we got ice cream here,
Don't
because
stick your
it's malt.
Don't stick your finger in the ice cream.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
We'll just sanitize it there. There we go. That happened.
We're adding some liquor.
Yeah.
What are we adding?
A delicious maple. It is almost time for Crown Royal. This is the maple deliciousness stuff. Turn that back around there. So we got some maple whiskey
2 shots.
and something from your vintage.
2 shots of
Some kind of
some
tequila.
kind of tequila. Because I wanted tequila in this too. So we have 4 total shots of alcohol.
I think it's gonna be delicious.
I think that'll be fantastic.
Should we get the ball rolling here?
Oh, let's tuck it in there.
So we're gonna tuck it into the blender here and mix it up.
Oh.
This is the first I've ever tried a dessert type thing like this, so I'm hoping it works.
Is that 4 scoops of ice cream?
That's about 4 scoops of ice cream right there.
Good job.
Oh! I
That's
hope this doesn't break our blender.
That's fantastic.
Don't scuttle.
White meat.
And last but not least,
Wait!
our insect parts. It looks like a really nice sundae, right? Like, my kids might eat that. Amazing Geeks Jr.
Except for when we add
Now, not so long.
this. Now this is adult size. Oh!
There we go.
Should I put it on crush?
I would do this, blend, maybe?
Good!
Oh my god.
That has a lot of kick.
I see some chunks in there.
That's fine if there's chunks.
Yeah, this will be fine. Let's just go ahead and drink
I
this.
think we're gonna be okay here.
There are chunks still stuck to the blade. Candy did not
Oh,
quite. There. We'll just toss the chunks back in. That did not work so well.
how are these venom cups? They look like
Venom's in
palm
it.
trees.
Okay, suit yourself. Alright. Oh, hold on. You want some of the candy?
Yeah, give me the candy.
It's
Why
so
are you-
chunky.
Why are you laughing? I didn't. Wait.
Alright. That looks good.
It's pretty chunky.
Alright. So here it is. It certainly is dubious. Right?
I forgot what I was tasting. Okay.
I don't know. Dubious Camoran Throne. As a tank, I use this. Thank you for everybody who buys it from me on Auction House, because I sell quite a bit of it as well.
You know what? I don't, but
Not Auction House. We don't have an Auction House.
no,
Guild
it's
Trader.
Guild,
Guild
yes.
Trader.
Yes, Guild
So-
Trader.
Cheers to you, my friends. Cheers. Chocolate.
I feel stamina and health already.
I don't think I like it.
I don't mind it.
It's chocolate. You definitely taste the maple. I like the maple.
Sweet, good.
Yeah.
Whatever else in there.
All right. So
Oh
we
my god.
oh my god. Yeah, show that to the camera. I don't know if you guys can see that in the
Oh.
camera.
I'll get it.
It is just pure, like, chunks.
I'll get it.
So right now,
Listen. Oh, it's not good. Don't go to the bottom. Just drink the top of it.
And we're back. And we're here, no more chunks. We've blown the chunks out the window, and we're here to make something a little bit more delicate, a little bit more tasty and smooth. It is the titillating maple fist.
Yes.
That's what we're gonna call it, the maple fist.
Titillating maple fist.
Yes. And this is gonna be something a little bit easier. All it's gonna take you is some vanilla ice cream.
Ice cream.
A little milk.
Milk.
Again, we're back with the Crown Royal maple whiskey, and we've added in. The color's not quite right. You'll see there. We've added in.
We're not sponsoring Crown Royal, by the way. We just like them.
We've added in. Yeah, he's right. They didn't send me this hat. They should have. I own it. I just wear it, and I give them free sponsorship.
God bless Crown Royal.
Every one of us.
God bless us.
A little vanilla extract for flavor there. So really, really simple. Not much to it, right? Should we try it out?
Yes, please.
All right. Now it shouldn't take much. You don't have the chunks of the candy this time, so it shouldn't take much at all. You think is it too runny, or is it fine? Well, we'll try it out. This should be fine. We're just going to take this out, and you see that just milkiness dripping down. Now this one I want to do just for a little presentation here.
Why do we have 4 cups?
Oh, I don't know what all these cups are here. Let's.
This one.
There you go. I think I missed. Alright, you gonna hand me the... Just because we wanted to add a little something special to this. So just do a little bit of cream on top. You want whipped cream on yours? Okay. And... Oh...
Do it!
Oh, that's... How does this... There we go. And you top with a little bit of nutmeg for flavor. And there it is. Your maple... What do we call this? Tantalizing maple fist.
Nut fist. Or... Knuckle fist? I don't remember.
Alright. That is delicious. No chunks. Smooth.
Chunk free.
Chunk free is the way to be, for sure.
That's what I was going to say.
Nobody wants a chunky shake.
Although, the nutmeg tastes weird.
Tastes what?
Weird.
Weird. I think I put too much nutmeg.
You put too much nutmeg.
Too much nuts.
Not as much nutmeg, and you'll be fine.
Alright. Till next time, friends. So long.
Bye-bye!
Got this. That hurt.
That must be the best high five I've ever done.
That's kind of sad.